Right, so I may or may not have been completely inactive on YouTube for a year. Oops. I just didn't know what to post. I did not feel very confident, so I just decided, you know what? We're not going to do anything when it comes to posting content on YouTube. So, but today I actually feel confident enough. So I guess we're gonna do makeup again, because that's what I like. So I guess I'm just kind of trying to put my camera in different positions. So right now I put it kind of in front of my window, so everybody on the street can watch me do this. It's gonna be great. And I'm also very pale, which means that every once in a while my entire body will just become a white blob and you can't even see what I'm doing. Anyway, let's get started. I'm just going to do some goth makeup, I guess. I keep forgetting to look into the lens. That's funny. Oh, I'm gonna be awkward. However, if this turns out shit, it's just not gonna go up. If it turns out okay, you'll see it. Whatever. Let's go do some goth makeup that I've been doing for the past 5 weeks. Yeah, let's go. Now, I just use white face paint to get my face white, because it's what works, I guess. Okay, at least the camera picks this up so people can see what I'm doing. Please don't turn into a white blob. And I'm just going to cover my entire face with this. Stop doing that. Oh my. Alright, so now I have achieved ghost face. We're gonna set all this with powder. Before I leave spots of white everywhere, because that happens all the time. Which isn't great when you wear all black. And now I'm just going to contour with black eyeshadow, because never too much contour, you know, we're fine. And I just drag that down all the way to the corner of my mouth. Ooh, it looks real extreme right now. We're gonna have to blend that. Oh god. Luckily we're gonna wear a wig, so it's gonna be hidden, so we're fine. It's fine. This is fine. There's children screaming outside of my window. It's honestly very scary. Get rid of all that double chin. Oh, I really hope this looks nice on camera. I must say, it looks a whole lot better when you don't wear your glasses. I always hope this ends up looking like contour and not like a beard, because that's absolutely possible. Gonna attempt to do a little subtle nose contour, which almost never turns out the way I want to, but let's... Seriously, stop. There we go. Please stay that way. This is not very subtle. Oh no. Well, guess we're gonna have to go over that with white again. And now I'm going to finally have eyebrows again. My eyebrows are like so white. Can't really tell I've got any. Now we're going to draw some little tiny individual hairs. I also just realized that I'm barely making eye contact with the camera. That's not the best move, but you know, it's a makeup tutorial, so I guess I could say that. I'll try to work on it anyway. Kind of important to have some bit of eye contact with your viewers, right? I think they're somewhat even, probably. Now I like to start out with just making this a huge black eye, so I draw a little line above my crease, and then I start under my eye and draw a line going straight up, and then I connect the two. Like that. And now I like the inner corner to end in a little point. So I'm going to draw right here, kind of along the crease, and then connect that. And like I said, I like to have a little point in the inner corner, so that's what we're gonna do now. I just use black face paint or a little gel eyeliner for this part. I then like to set everything I just did in gel eyeliner with some black eyeshadow. And also to smoke out the lower lash line. Once again, I almost forgot this step, but I always like to draw a little fake crease kind of thing. I always make my cupid's bow into a little V. Draw little points at the corners of my mouth, and then I connect the top of the V with the corners of my mouth. Just like that. And then I fill it in, and for all this, I have still been using my black face paint or black gel eyeliner. I then begin to start drawing my bottom lip, and yes, I still overlay my lips. I know, an old trend, but I like it. I have small lips, okay? This is cool. Don't come for me. And then I just fill all that mess in with black lipstick. After that, I just like to clean the edges up with a little bit of white face paint. My very yellow teeth, oh no. Everybody now knows I've got, well, they're not shitty teeth. They're fine, they're healthy, but they're yellow. And now, of course, to complete the look, we're gonna put on a bunch of false eyelashes. And one fill out. Now, I always like the second eyelash that I'm gonna put on this eye to be a little higher up, so you can really tell I'm wearing eyelashes, even with all this eye makeup. And now for the last lash, we're just gonna throw that right into the crease. Yes. And we're done. I guess normally I draw like a little symbol right there, but I think we're done. And I'm going to pop on my wig, draw my fake hairline, and maybe put on some jewelry. See you right back. Now, this is clearly not a lace front wig. I don't yet own one. I will at some point. However, to make it look more realistic, I just draw a fake hairline with the same black face paint I've been using the entire time. And when I'm done drawing it on, I just quickly powder it with some black eyeshadow. Which is then pretty much the end of this look. And I'm a white blob again. Stop. And there's my face. I can see it. Yay. I gotta fix the hairline real fast. Yeah, that's better. Well, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe if you want to. You could like this video, you know, whatever you want. I'm not gonna force you to do anything. I mean, I really can't do that, so. Anyway, I'll put my social media at the very end, and thank you for watching.